Hello, Barbara Ann Mojica, aka Little Miss History, with you for another session of the 2-Minute Teacher, how to set up a mini lesson in just a couple of minutes. Today's lesson is a can crusher experiment, and the objective of this lesson is crushing a can that is hot and then observing the difference in air pressure and its result. To do this experiment, you will need a template from Little Bins for Little Hands. You will need an aluminum tin can. You will need a bowl of ice water, a burner or open flame, some tongs, or an oven mitt. Now please note there must be adult supervision for this experiment. Here is what will result when you finish the experiment. Now let's talk about it. First, you're going to assemble all the materials that I mentioned, and the link to the template will be in the show notes. You will take a bowl of ice water, put that on the table, put 2 tablespoons of water in the empty aluminum can. Ask the adult to place the can on a stove burner until the water turns into steam. When that happens, ask the adult to take an oven mitt or tongs and remove the can from the burner. Now place the can upside down into the bowl of ice water. Be prepared for a loud pop. Now what has happened? When you heated the can, the water that was in the can turned into a gas and expanded to fill the can. When you place that hot can into the cold water, the steam returned to a liquid state. It condensed, and the air pressure became lower. The difference in air pressure on the inside and outside of the can causes it to implode or collapse inward, making that loud pop. Hope you've had fun with this experiment. Please click subscribe to get all different types of teaching mini lessons every Friday. And for other educational fun that your family will enjoy, please check out my website at www.littlemisshistory.com. Till next time, goodbye.